We did a lot of customer experience research when we launched Azento, and one of the key things that many dentists talked about is streamlining the single tooth implant restoration and surgical parts. Azento simplifies a full set of workflows into 3 simple steps. Scan, approve, and treat. It helps the clinicians through digital treatment planning have the precise implant position as well as the custom restorative design at the time of surgery. The implant will be exactly where it needs to be, and the restoration will be aesthetically pleasing for the clinician and the patient. It improves the life of the staff because they have everything that they need within that box for that procedure, and they're able to support the doctor throughout the procedure.
There's a lot of things I like about it. The efficiency within the workflow for your office saves you a lot of time, and that's the most important thing. Everything comes in the box.
We're giving dentists an opportunity to have consistently excellent results with their implant and restorative cases.